Odie Super Penetrating Oil. Great product. This is the clearest product in our lineup. This is for when you want ultimate clarity. This is when you want to bring out all the bright areas and the highlights in a piece of wood. You don't want any color change at all, and you're looking for ultimate clarity. Really makes your pieces sparkle. Works great as a base coat. This is the finish that I use under my Odie's oil or my Odie's butter when I want ultimate clarity. I also use this when I want ultimate stability. This is great for a wide plank floor where I'm a little concerned about movement. I'll put this down as my first coat in a very, very light coat, buff it in, wait a day or more, and then put a very, very thin coat of the regular Odie's oil over the top, and this will give me ultimate stability, but also clarity. It also works great on a live edge slab that you're worried about movement, if you want to slow down movement in the slab. It'll bring out the ultimate clarity in that slab, but it also give you better stability. It's designed to soak deeper into the wood fiber, into the internal cellulose layers, where it fills those voids, and then you put your coats of Odie's oil or Odie's wood butter or Odie's wax over the top of it for ultimate durability, sheen, and build. Great product in its own right. I use this mainly as a base coat. It also works great on cutting boards and charcuterie boards and things like that for stability there where you're washing it constantly. So I use this as the base coat and a very, very light coat. Wipe it off, wait a day or more. 2 days is usually my preference. And then I go ahead and put a very, very light coat of Odie's oil over the top or my super duper oil for ultimate durability and protection.